जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. But here in Janasthanam, when Rama was killing all 14,000 demons and Khara, Dushana, Trishara, Surpanaka has seen Ekena Ramena Hatan, when Rama was by himself killed all 14,000 demons and such a great powerful soldiers like Khara, Dushana, Trishara. When Surpanaka has seen that, she got so much scared and she started crying and shouting, and with so much of fear from Rama, she ran back to Lanka. When Surpanaka reached Lanka, what is Ravanasura doing there? Vimanagre Ravanam Deeptache Tejasam. By the time Surpanaka reached Lanka, Ravana is in a meeting with all of his ministers in Pushpaka Vimanam. How that Ravana is looking? He is sitting in a golden Simhasanam. Where is that golden Simhasanam? That golden Simhasanam is on the stage which is structured by golden bricks. As and how, if there is so much of ghee we are pouring into fire, how that fire glows and the flames comes out, such kind of glow is there in Ravana. Such glowing Ravana sitting in a golden Simhasanam which is there on the golden stage. That Ravana, Deva, Gandharva, Bhutanam, Rishinam cha Mahatmanam, Ajeyam. No Devatas can defeat Ravana. No Gandharvas can defeat Ravana. No Maharshis can defeat Ravana. Nobody can defeat Ravana. Such Ravana is looking like Yamadharmaraju. Such Ravana is looking like a opened mouth Yamadharmaraju. That kind of Ravana now Surpanaka is looking at to tell something to Ravana. Surpanaka reached Lanka Nagaram. There Ravanasura is sitting in a golden Simhasanam and having a meeting with all his ministers in Pushpaka Vimanam. How that Ravana is looking is with Devasura Vimardeshu Vajrasenikkrutavranam. There are so many marks on the shoulders of Ravanasura. There are so many marks on the chest of Ravanasura. Those marks from previous battles, previous fights with Devatas. When Devendra hit Ravana with his Vajrayudham, when Devendra's Airavatam, the elephant, hit Ravanasura, those are the marks still clearly appearing on Ravanasura's shoulders. How is that Ravanasura? Vimsad Bhujam, 20 shoulders. Desagrivam, 10 heads. Visalavakshasam, the wide chest. Raja Lakshana Sobhitam, glowing with all kings' dignified expressions. Veeram, great soldier. Such Ravana is there, Surpanaka is looking at. And also Ravana wearing so many ornaments. Those ornaments are glowing. With that glowing ornaments, Ravana is also glowing. Such Ravana now Surpanaka is looking at. And Taptakanchana Kundalam, Ravana wearing beautiful golden earrings. Ravana's shoulders are very strong. Sukla Desanam, white teeth. Mahasyam, big mouth. Parvatopamam, Ravana is looking like big mountain over there. Such Ravana now Surpanakha is looking at. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.